Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with a bead haul from eBay. I found this seller, and I'm always on that silly app. I found this seller just because surfing vintage stuff, and they had a ton of vintage beads, and everything in their store was 50% off. And I will include a link to their store and their name. Oh gosh, what was their name? We'll put their name in the title. I'm sorry. I'm the worst. It's been a weird day. So we'll go ahead and look through these beads. Got a lot of stuff for not a lot of money. So first things first, this cool strand. I think they're plastic. I think a lot of this stuff is acrylic, but that's okay. Aren't those cool? They kind of remind me of those snake beads, but they're triangles instead of like round. Aren't those awesome? Super excited about those. My goodness, I don't even remember what's in here. Oh, I got 2 of these. 2 packs of these. So cool. I was thinking, I'll just use them all on one thing, like one necklace, or I'll patina them or something. They're just stampings. Very cool. Just such a cool shape, too. And honestly, I didn't pay that much for anything. Like, most of the stuff was like maybe $2 each, and some maybe up to $5, but literally most of it was like $1.50. These are some cool wood beads. Or maybe, oh, there were cabochons. I forgot about that. But I can try and drill them if I really wanted to. Or I can glue them to something. But aren't those cool? The vintage brass inlaid in them. Next, cool, like, bead lot. So I think this one, I was supposed to get 2 of each bead. So we've got this coin. These are all acrylic, by the way. Got this donut. I think this was like under $2 for this little lot. And I thought they had more. So, again, I'll put them in the description. These are cool. It's a cool bracelet focal. Ooh, I just got some nice carnelian. This would be cool with that. These are neat. I just love these. And like, if you're a polymer clay person, you can use these as stamps, like stamp rollers to get texture. They do so much. There's not enough time in the day. Doesn't that look like a little Eiffel Tower? So cool. Where's the hole? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it goes like this. It stands like this. It's a bead like that's awesome. I would think like I would just do this and then put a bead in the middle. And you got a pendant, or you've got a focal on your bracelet. These guys, I should have bought more than one set of these, but I did buy quite a bit of things, so I didn't need more than one. These are cool. Look like bone, but they're acrylic. Green. Red. Like little, oh my gosh, these look like old. Blue. Like a plum. And then 2 more that kind of look like bone. That's a cool mix. Don't go buy more, Brittany. Don't go buy more. You haven't even used these yet. These are the things that run through my head all day. Thinking about beads. Alright, so I bought 3 of these, and I honestly don't know if I left any more in the shop because they thought they were so cool. They're shells. This is just one set, and then I got 2 more. They've got like a dusky pink purple in them, and I just love those stripes. Like, can you imagine that these are beads? That is so cool. You know me and Shell, we go way back. So here are the other 2. So cool. And then I bought, I think, 2 or 3 of these. Maybe 4. Let's see. No, I got 4 of these because I thought they were cool. So each one includes, they're acrylic, each one includes 15 of each color. So 15 cream and 15 brown. And then these can interlock to create larger bead sections. So, like this. So I got 4. So I got 60 brown and 60 ivory cream. Aren't those cool? And then I'll just end up probably splitting them, but I'm not sure. Who knows? They're just so cool. They're like the Lego of beads. And I got these. They're like little mini vintage cane beads. They have hearts on them, and they're yellow and blue and red. And they just make me so happy. They look like little pieces of candy. And now that I'm looking at them, I don't think they're beads. Where are the holes? There aren't any holes. Oh no, that's a bummer. I thought these were beads. I'll just have to glue them to things. That's okay. We can figure it out. That's a bummer though. I thought they were beads. Apparently, Brittany needs to look a little closer when she's buying things. These are cool. They're either bone or horn. I think, yeah, they're horn. And they're sliders. So there are 2 holes. And they're just so weathered and beautiful. And those would be great textures for polymer clay too. You can use it as a stamp. Another thing I'm trying to not get into right now, I know I mentioned in one video I was thinking about getting into silversmithing. Another thing I'm not thinking about, but I am really thinking about doing is precious metal clay. So, yeah. Ooh, I forgot about this. I actually went back and forth whether I was going to buy this or not because there were only like 3 things that I really wanted in it. And I was like, Brittany, it's half off and free shipping, just get it. It was like free shipping over $50. So, look at this guy. And he does have a hole at the top. Okay. He's a cute little star with a big moon guy on it. So cool. These are bigger than I thought they were. You know, I said this in another video. Pictures from eBay are always misleading. They're either blurry or not close up, or you just never know what's going on. So look at how cool that guy looks. He is awesome. I want a necklace with that. Oh, we got a smaller one. Look at this guy. He's bigger. I really thought, I'm so glad I bought this because I thought these were much smaller than they are. Look how cool that guy is. He is awesome. And then, oh my gosh, we have this dude. He's 2-sided. I love it. You know, I love me some celestial stuff. That's cool. Oh my gosh, I am super pumped that I bought this. And I didn't even see these in the photos. Those are cool. We got some 3D stars. Oh, they look like lockets, but they're not. They're just 2 stamped pieces adhered together. Oh, these are cool. Make some really neat earrings. Another star. Oh, a nice little moon. Oh, or sun. Look how happy he is. So happy. I don't even remember seeing this one either. Okay, this is a really good mix. I'm very excited I bought it. And another star set. A little baby sun who's happy as well. And then a cutout star. Oh, this one I could glue. I mean, it could just be textured, but I could also glue rhinestones into it. And then we have some blank stars and another moon. I am in love with that little mix. I am very much surprised at how much I love it. Because I was like so close to removing it. And then I finally was like, all right, whatever, tap off. This is, I knew it was going to be a two-piece, and I knew it was going to be 3 inches, but like, my brain was like, okay, 3 inches is big for a donut, but I didn't realize it was this big. These are black lip shell. Actually, one's brown lip and one's black lip. Look at that. So now I mean, it's not even 2 of the same pendant. That's awesome. Because at 2, I was like, oh, I can just resell one, but now that they're not the same, I don't have to. There are so many ways to connect this to a necklace. Tie a knot with leather. You can bead. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. These are huge. And I don't remember how much they were, but they were not expensive. And I think they had some left. Got a few packs of these, and these are not really what I was expecting, but it's okay. It's okay. I got them on purpose because I've been wanting to make my own buttons. These are plastic, but I would not recommend them for polymer clay because if you glue to polymer clay, eventually it will come off. And I'm not only speaking from experience, I'm speaking from science. Polymer clay can't bond like metal or other plastics or things because it's still not malleable, but it moves. So it will eventually break the bond with the glue that you use unless you use liquid clay or embed your item in the clay, and you can't do that with plastic because this will melt once you go to cure it. So these are going to be glued to the back of cabochons to make them into buttons. However, they're a little tinier than I thought they were because they're teeny tiny. But that's okay. Doesn't matter. I bought a bajillion of them. We make mistakes. I have other things in my Amazon cart that I think will work with polymer clay. These I got because they were so awesome looking. They're just like a ribbon, in the shape of a V, and then you can glue stuff to it, use it as a bail. I could embed it in polymer clay. Lots of stuff. I think that's awesome. And again, most, if not all of this stuff is vintage too. So it's most likely not being made anymore. Okay, these, I couldn't really understand from the pictures how they were beads. So, okay, the beads, the holes are going this way down, so you could potentially almost use it, kind of look like a super duos put together, but use it in a 2-hole bracelet. You could use it in a pendant. This is cool. I like these. Matte, like almost the color like carnelian almost, but matte. Very cool. Oh, these are a little smaller than I thought they would be, actually. So they're little metal loops. And they're pairs, they have them in pairs. So they're 2 yellow, 2 cream round ones, 2 pink, 2 green, and then 2 of the cream drop. Those are cool. Cute earrings those would make. I got 2 packs of these because I thought they were kind of neat, 12mm donuts, but they're different on each side. So they kind of look like cat's eye, but this is what I call moon glow. Darker purple on one side, lighter purple on the other. See? You flip them. And I just think those would be really cool in a bracelet. I know one month I made a bracelet for Sam's Bead Box using purple donuts, and I think that design would work really well with these. I thought these were cool. In the pictures, I didn't really know what was... Okay, so they're just purple and dark purple acrylic beads, but they're kind of cool. They kind of look like weird monster eyeballs. I told you my brain goes weird places with beads. Those are neat. I like those a lot. I'm loving this whole order. I don't think there's anything I haven't really loved. Oh, I didn't love that these didn't have holes, but other than that. And then this was like a little metal knot bead, like not K-N-O-T, not N-O-T, mix. So like this is a big knot. And then we have little knots, which are cool as spacers. Or next to focals. So I think they said like 35 pieces were in this. Look at that one. I don't know that. Oh, it is a bead. Well, I don't know that it is a bead because it goes in there, but it's sealed right here. But I could hook on somewhere else. Different things. Just that's why I love vintage stuff, because you find stuff you're like, mainstream stuff is great, beautiful, wonderful. But then you see stuff like this and you're like, oh, that's cool. Oh, a little knot pendant. Just really cool stuff. Next, these were vintage glass. Oh no, I dropped a few. One was broken. Came off the strand broken here, half. Very cool, very old. They kind of look like tortoiseshell, but stripes. Love those. Oh, there's the other half of the broken bead. But those are really, really neat. I think these would look really good as spacers with some smaller gold spacers and like a larger gemstone or acrylic bead. I think that would be really cool. Now I'm going to have to find like something that it can go with. Next, these are little connectors. And I do mean little. Oh my goodness, look how tiny those are. Do I know what I'm going to use them for? Heck no. Am I going to use them? Maybe. But I think they're pretty cute. Just a couple more things. So I got 2 sets of these. I think it was a 60 piece and they're large hole. So you could use definitely different cords through there. They're acrylic, but they're pretty cool. I think they'd be really great spacer with some ethnic beads. 2 bags of those. Got these. There's some chandeliers that are patinaed. Who knows if this is natural patina or not, but isn't that cool? Almost looks like those Greek patinaed charms that you see. And then last but not least, certainly not least, these reminded me so much of beads that I had in the past. I don't think I ever had this exact style, but I always loved like speckled robin's egg looking beads. And I love these. I mean, my earrings that I used to make with beads like this would sell out so fast. So they're gorgeous. They're matte. They've got gold speckles. I think they would look fantastic with some brass bead caps. Just really simple. So I got 2 sets of those. Overall, I'm just ecstatic with this haul. These beads are my favorite. The moon pack and gosh, I liked everything though. And I really liked this acrylic mix. So stay tuned. I'm sure we'll see something at some point. Let me know what your favorite was. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. All right, noodle butt. You were just looking at me, and then you saw the camera come out, and then, nope, don't want to look at Mom anymore. Hi, cutie butt. Hello.